Hello everyone, welcome back to Staying Local. Today we are going to take you to the River Almond walkway. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. The River Almond is 28 miles long. It rises from the Hurst Hill and it flows to the Firth of Forth in Edinburgh. This is a very old stone bridge over the River Almond. The name of the bridge is Grotto Bridge and it was built in 1757. The river narrows down here and hence it flows in a tremendous speed. Today we are going to walk down a small part of the Almond River walkway. It is a beautiful trail covered with huge trees on both sides. The River Almond was mainly an industrial river by the end of the 18th century, with a lot of mills along its banks. Fishing is a very common activity in this river. Brown trout and salmon are seen rising frequently in the river and are often caught on a catch and release basis. This is the old Cremont Bridge. It was built in the 15th century. It was again rebuilt in the 16th century and has been repaired occasionally through the 17th and 18th centuries. All these dates are written on the bridge itself. River Almond is flowing down to the Firth of Forth in Cremont. Our journey today ends here. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please share your comments and press the like button. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.